Stop letting the healthcare system profit from your clinical judgment while you pay the price in burnout. Your expertise is not just for the bedside, it's the critical asset needed to fix the business of healthcare itself. Every day, you assess, document, and coordinate complex patient care. These are the exact skills that fuel the most financially impactful, high-demand roles outside the hospital. Right now, health plans, hospitals, tech companies, and research and law firms desperately need nurses like you, not as clinicians, but as essential clinical analysts. Imagine using your assessment skills to conduct clinical quality audits, where your reviews determine a health plan's quality ratings and revenue. Or applying your documentation precision to clinical documentation integrity, ensuring medical records justify proper reimbursement. Your clinical reasoning is the key weapon in denials management. Your rigorous patient care protocols make you indispensable in clinical research to ensure trial integrity. Your understanding of patient acuity directly drives accurate reimbursement in complex payment models. Your deep clinical knowledge is the missing link between patient care and financial viability. Our program will give you the direct blueprint to pivot from bedside nurse to sought-after analyst. We'll show you how to reframe your resume, target these roles, and command the salary your expertise warrants. It's time to deploy your skills beyond the boundaries of a traditional nursing education and future-proof your career. Enroll into our transition program for the blueprint. Let's translate your invaluable experience into the high-value career you deserve.